Yeah, so this is great. That's a great question. And an excess capacity in the world of manufacturing is crucial, right? And so I remember in business school and business class, they always want, you to utilize your assets in the 95% range. And I always didn't agree with it even back in those school days. I'm like, well, then you're probably missing out on other opportunities because you might be too busy. And so we've always wanted to have excess capacity. What that means to a buyer is if you have a hot job and you've already given me, say, 10 orders that I've got in the queue and it's 10 million envelopes, and you say, can you fit in another 5 million? And you go, yeah, let's figure it out. You tell me what you need and I'll accommodate you. I have the capacity to run that through our system. And the client's always blown away and amazed by how are you able to produce all my work, and I know that I'm not your only client, but yet they feel like they're our only client because we really do care about them. We nurture them. We love on them. And what do you want? What makes you happy? What can I do for you? And so we take their orders and we just run it through the system, and it's super efficient. And so, sure, we have extra equipment, but at the end of the day, I'm able to ramp up and then ramp down if you want. And we're typically a 5 day week factory, but if I have a lot of work, people are more than happy to work Saturday or Saturday evening, or we'll fire things up on a Sunday night. And it's amazing how many envelopes you can produce over the weekend. And those those production numbers shine when people need it.